Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix stuck on gray screen Discord problem. So just follow these steps. Click on search in your Windows, type %app data % and click enter. So the app data roaming folder will be open. Then find Discord right here, and only things you should do just to delete this folder right here. Just click on it and click delete. If you cannot delete this folder because of the process running, just click on search, type task manager, open task manager, and in background processes find Discord process, and on the Discord click end task right here. Then try to delete the folders again. So hope you guys enjoy, hope this fixes your problem. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe for more. Bye.